Hi, I'm Jerry Wiersma. I'm the Silverback Gorilla here at Pressure Washer Monkey. Today I'm going to show you how to replace a pump on a Karcher gasoline-powered pressure washer. There's basically only one tool needed to do this job, and what that is a 6mm Allen, and you can attach that to either a ratchet or what I'm going to use today is a power tool. There's 4 bolts holding the pump in place. And finally, the 4th. Pull the chemical tube off the nipple. Pull the pump off. We're going to slide the new pump on, and you want to make sure that you line up the keyway with the slot in the pump. Place the 4 bolts. Don't fully tighten any of them until you get all 4 snugged right up. Okay, now you can go ahead and tighten them right down. No need to over-tighten them because there are lock washers behind these bolt heads which will hold the pump in place. Also, this is an aluminum casting, so if you go too tight, you are prone to stripping that out. So that's it, nice and simple. Now we've got a brand new pump on our pressure washer. Today we replaced a pump on a Karcher brand pressure washer, but the procedure would be exactly the same regardless of brand.